DM tells us there's a group of goblins worshipping a golden tablet we need for a quest. I come up with the idea to turn one of us invisible, hold up the tablet, and tell them that their god has come. The only one who knows Goblin is our 6'8 Barbarian with an intelligence of 7. Dude can't even count on his fingers. He rolls high enough to convince them. He tells them that they must sacrifice themselves for him. Nat 20. All 29 goblins line up as the shaman decapitates them all. He keeps the shaman as a pet, though, of course, obviously. That's the only logical outcome from this.